Oh, how are you doing? Are you ready for some math? No? Too bad, here's some anyway. Yeah. Um, this week we're working on balancing equations and coordinate grids and ordered pairs. Check it out. What I mean by balancing equations, I mean that you understand that when there's an equal sign, both sides of the equal sign have to be equal to each other. The letters S and T stand for numbers. If S minus 100 is the same thing or equals T minus 100, which statement is true? This is only crazy to think about if you don't understand what equal means. And equal means the same. They have to be the same. So, if you've got minus 100 right here, and minus 100 right here, the only thing you need for both sides to be the same is for S to be the same as T, because they're both being subtracted by 100 in the same way, so they both have to start the same way too. So look down at A, B, C, and D. Which one of those shows you that S is the same thing as T? That's A. S equals T. That's the only acceptable answer, and really easy to get to as long as you're not overthinking it or as long as you're reading carefully. That is the tricky part about some algebra and math. It's not just math anymore. It's also your ability to read and understand what you're reading. Let's move on. Coordinate pairs, hooray. Ordered pairs, coordinate grids, coordinate graphs. Here we go. The map below shows the starting positions of two scientists studying plants in a rainforest. Cool. Scientists in a rainforest. Oh, cool. Thank you for this. It's like a math map. Which ordered pair best names Joe's location? Well, there's Joe right there. And if you recall this from much earlier in the year when we previewed it, the first number in the ordered pair is always the x-axis line. This first line that goes across. Which of those numbers matches up with Joe? Hopefully you see that 4 lines up with Joe. So we put a 4. The second number will be on the y-axis, or the up and down line. Go up and down, find which number matches up with Joe. You see -3, a straight line, boom, will match up with Joe. So the second number is -3. Do you see 4, -3 amongst our multiple choice options? Hopefully you see it at C, and that is a correct answer. Let's take the time to do a little something else, and you'll see why in a second. Did you know that each one of these corners, each corner in this big grid has a number? This is quadrant 1, like a Roman numeral 1. This is quadrant 2. Down below is quadrant 3. And then below and to the right is quadrant 4. That's a Roman numeral 4 for you. Why would I give you that information? We'll look at this next question. Which point is in quadrant 3? Quadrant 3, huh? Well, I did just label quadrant 3 for you. So all you have to do once you know which quadrant is which, 1, 2, 3, and 4, all you have to do is see what numbers look like, what ordered pairs look like in that quadrant. So for the x-axis, the first number, it looks like all the numbers in quadrant 3 are negative. So let's go back to the question. Which one has a first number that's negative? Not that one, and not that one. How about the second number? The second number is the y-axis, remember? And in quadrant 3, in this area, quadrant 3, it looks like the second number, the y-axis, is also negative. Which one has a second number that's also, oh, not that one. This one right here. Here's a look at your pop guide. It's all about balancing equations for this question. There's your equal sign, and we need this side to be the same as the other side. Same thing for down below. An equal sign, and this side has to somehow be the same as this side. What could go in that blank to make everything the same? Look carefully at your multiple choice options. Both of these questions are similar. The graphing questions are, the baby steps. We're only going to work with quadrant 1, one little chunk of the graph. Which shape is at 6, 6? 6 across and 6 up and down. You find the shape. You tell me. And how about this? Where is the green star? The star. There's a star. But what is the ordered pair for that star? I wonder if you can tell me. It gets a little harder than this soon, so I hope you're comfortable with these baby steps. I'll see you guys next time. Copy down your pop guide and do it early if you like. If not, you'll get a chance in class. Alright guys, bye.